Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Mix Story Lovers. In this video, I will tell you about donate a car in California to charity. Residents all over the state of California use Will for Wishes as an easy way to help children in their community. Here is what you get from a California car donation. 6, 5, and 6. First of all, free towing of almost any vehicle, running or not. Second, because Wheel of Wishes is a 50c3 non-profit, you also receive a tax deduction for your donation. Third, you don't have to worry about trying to sell or trade in your unwanted car when you donate it. Four, we take care of all details from you. This includes handling the DMV paperwork, title transfer, and everything else. 5. After your vehicle is picked up, we will send you a 100% tax deductible receipt that you can use with your 1098C when filing your taxes. 6. Your car donation help children dealing with critical illness in California. No matter where you are in Northern California, you can donate your car for free. With the help of generous supporters like you, we have been able to create magical movement for more than 5600 local wish children to continue to make local wish children since 1983. Thank you for helping us to continue to make our community a better place on Wish Child at our time. So if you please like our video and share our video with your family and friends. So take care.